Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. People today are health freaks and a lot of people are also developing an allergy towards gluten. Gluten is a protein found in grains like wheat, rye, barley, etc. And gluten-free desserts are becoming more and more popular. So today, I'm going to show you a gluten-free cake. Let's start with mixing all the dry ingredients. I've already sifted them. I have 3/4 cup of Ragi or Nachni flour here. Into this, let's mix 1/4 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a cup of caster sugar. You can even use brown sugar if you wish. Half teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of soda bicarb and a pinch of salt. Now let's mix all the wet ingredients in another bowl. I have half a cup of curd here, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1/4 cup water. Let's just mix all these dry ingredients together first. The dry ingredients are done and now let's mix all the wet ingredients. And now let's spoon in all the dry ingredients slowly. Don't overbeat the batter, just mix all the dry ingredients as quickly as possible. Let's clean the bowl with a rubber spatula and this batter is ready. Let's pour the batter in a grease and dusted tin. I've taken a 5 inches tin and I've dusted it with Nachni or Ragi flour. This batter is ready to go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. "25 minutes were up and this cake is beautifully baked. And now let's unmold it. And now let's flip it once again. Look at how soft this cake is. Drizzle some chocolate sauce or serve it with a scoop of ice cream or whipped cream, or just binge on a slice with a hot cup of tea. Do try this gluten-free cake at home and let me know how it turned out. See you soon. Bye-bye.